Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to crochet this very simple project. It's a zippered coin purse, and this one is worked in double crochets back and forth, and then working slip stitches in between those rows of double crochets. So it's a great project, it's beginner friendly, and I hope you watch until the end of this video. So to start with the materials, I'll be using Indophil 4-ply yarn, and you can use whatever yarn of your choice with your compatible hook. For this one, I'll be using 3.25mm. Of course, I'll be needing some scissors and yarn needles, sewing thread, and the sewing needle. I will use a sewing machine, but you can use or sew by hand. So for the foundation chain, I'll be chaining 25. If you want your purse to be a bit bigger, you can chain more if you want. Now after chaining 25, I will be adding 3 more chains, and this will count as my first double crochet. Now on the 4th chain from the hook, I will work my second double crochet. So I'll be working on the back chains. Once you get to the last chain, we're going to work 6 double crochets. So this will make the base of our purse in an oval shape. Now once we have 6 double crochets, this will turn our work into the opposite side, and we will now be working 1 double crochet into each of the stitches, and when we get to the other end, we should also have a total of 6 double crochets. So when you get to the final stitch, you will have 3 double crochets in there, and chain 3 is included. So we're going to add 3 more so that both ends will have 6 double crochets, and this will make an oval shape. To end the round, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the 3rd beginning chain, which counts as 1 double crochet. So we have 6 double crochets in there. So on round 2, we're going to chain 2, and this time we're going to start working the stitches at the back. So it's like working in rows. We're working back and forth. So I'm going to chain 2, and this will not count as a stitch, but instead into that same stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and then as you can see, I turn my project. So now I am working a row or a round of double crochets at the back of the first round, and this one is going to be the inside of the purse that we're making. So into every second round, we're going to work the stitches at the back. So make sure that the number of stitches will be the same as the first round. It's nice to keep track of the total amount of stitches each round so that your project will not be lopsided. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made, because the chain 2 there will not count as a stitch. So we'll just be repeating that, but only we're going to work back and forth. Now I'm gonna show you how I work the slip stitches in between round 1 and round 2. So we will be repeating this in between those 2 rounds to make the stripes. So this is very easy. We're just going to work slip stitches using different colors of the yarn. So as you can see, we turned and we're now working double crochets at the back of round 2. So that's what we will be doing alternately. So make sure that you have a total amount of stitches the same as the other round, like round 2. So if you have a total of 60 stitches, there should be 60 stitches into every round. So once I finish this round, I can now work slip stitches in between those 2 rounds of double crochets in there, or you can finish up to your desired height and then you can work slip stitches after that. So to end this round, I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made, and now I'm going to use a different color. This time I'm going to use the yellow color of yarn. So make sure that the stripes that you're gonna add are on the same side. So this is going to be the front side where you will see the chains. So this is what it looks like after doing round 10, and I'm going to finish off the last round by using the same technique as what I did with the slip stitches. And then after this, I'm going to show you how to attach the fabric lining. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're going to make this project, please do not forget to tag me on my Instagram account or on my Facebook page, Crochet Tutorials by Sharon Lee. Have a great day, everyone. See you in my next video.